Okay, so welcome back. The video, fifth and the last video of this series. Okay, so in this video, as I told you yesterday, I am going to talk about the caption sheet. Okay, I hope after watching my previous video, you guys have already started working on the creatives, the posts, and you've already bought the templates. Okay, so now if you've done that, I'm gonna tell you how to use the caption sheet. Okay, so when you have bought those templates, along with the template link, there's one more link that you must have received, which is for this caption sheet. Okay, so now what I want you to do is, when the link opens up, okay, I'll just quickly show you how the link is gonna open up. After you have purchased the templates, okay, you must have received an email something like this. Okay, the first link is for the templates, which will open up in Canva, which we have already discussed in my last video. Now I'm going to talk about the second link, which is the content calendar with captions. Okay, now this link, once you click on this, okay, a sheet like a Google sheet like this will open up. Okay, you won't be able to edit this sheet directly, okay, because it's a view only sheet. What you can do is you click on file and then click on make a copy. Okay, you can name this copy. Okay, maybe you can just write your preschool name. I'm mentioning is out of the box preschool caption sheet. Okay, and I'm gonna click on make a copy. Okay, now this is the copy which we have created, which is completely editable now. So I'm going to close this old sheet and I'm going to work on this out new sheet which I have created as a copy. Okay, now pay attention very carefully how you will be able to arrange this whole content, so that when you have to publish these posts for the particular month, you simply have to copy the caption and publish the post with the particular caption. Okay, now here if you see, these are all the posts that we have created, okay, yesterday, as in the previous video. So there are four customizable posts, there are four admission open posts, one parent engaging post, and these special days, five special days. Okay, now we, of course, we are not going to schedule or publish these posts in the same sequence, right? So we'll have to rearrange these. Okay, let's first see what are the dates for the special days. Okay, so now we know that 1st June is milk day, so just mention one. Okay, then second special day is on 5th, so mention 5. Then we have world ocean day on 8th, so mention as 8. Okay, this what I'm mentioning here is the date on which the post is going to go. Okay, but just mention these as serial numbers, because later on we have to just filter them. Okay, Eid is on 16th, and Father's Day also on 16th. Okay, so I have added these dates. Okay, now if you see, these are total 14 posts. Okay, that means we'll be able to publish one post on every alternate day. Okay, so now let's date these posts according to when we plan to post them or publish them. Okay, so first is already taken. Okay, so I'm going to have my next post on 3rd of June, then that will be a customizable post. Okay, then after that, 5th already there is a post. Okay, 6th there's no post, but we are planning to do it alternate days. Okay, but I'm not going to have any post on 7th, because immediately on 8th there is one post. Okay, so now after 8th, okay, after leaving one day, that is ninth, we'll not have a post. On 10th, we can have one admission open post. Okay. Then again, after leaving one gap, that is 11th, we'll have one more customizable post, which is on 12th. Okay. Similarly, again on 14th, I'll have one admissions open post. Now wait, we have two posts on 16th. Okay, so they are already numbered here. So we cannot have any post on 16th. Otherwise, there are already two posts which are going on 16th. So we don't want a third post to go on the 16th. Okay, so now after 16th, if you leave one gap, and it's 18th. So I'm gonna have a post on 18th, which will be customized post. Again, admissions open post on say 20th. Okay, then let's have one parenting post. Okay, so on 22nd I'm gonna have one parenting post. Then I'll come back to my customizable post, so I'll leave 2 days gap here now. So instead of 24th, I'll have one post on 25th. Okay, and then the last admission open post on say 27th. Okay, so this is how 14 posts are now segregated, but right now they are not in sequence. Okay, if you see, I'm not having any date on birthday template is because you might have 5 birthdays in a month, you might also have 10 birthdays in a month. Okay, so as soon as you create all these templates for those 5 or 10 birthdays, just copy paste this column those many times here, and just mention the date here. So if the first birthday is going to go on say 4th, okay, and then you have, say, let's assume there are 5 birthdays in the month of June. Okay, so the first birthday is on 4th, then it is on 7th, then let's assume it's on 12th, then 16th, and then 22nd. Okay, so this is how we have arranged the birthday posts as well. So now what to do is just delete this small column. Okay, so now we have all these dates besides the posts that we are planned to publish. Okay, now simply do one thing, go to this filter. Okay, and simply click on sort A to Z. Okay, what will happen is once you sort these A to Z, the post would be automatically sorted as per the dates. Okay, so let me show you. So I'm clicking on A to sort A to Z. See, and the whole sequence has changed. So on first there's going to be milk day, third it's going to be customizable post one, on fifth we have world environment day, then eight. So now this is how we have created the calendar for the month of June. Okay, now there's one more step remaining before you actually start publishing the posts on the on your Facebook and Instagram. Okay, now go back to the folder. Okay, and keep switching between this folder and the Google Sheet. Okay, now let's click here on the first post, copy this text, come back to this folder, and here's the milk day post. So click rename this post as per what we have named. So this again, what we are trying to do is, even in this folder we are trying to get all those in one sequence. Okay, so now second I'm gonna click on. Okay, so when you copy, now all you have to do is copy this caption and paste it while publishing the post on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so it is that simple. So I hope this video series of how to create 180 posts within an hour will be helpful for you. And I hope you have bought the templates and started working on the post designs. So that's all from me. I'll be back with some more videos and some exciting stuff like this. So bye from me. And as I said, if you have any queries, please put them down in the comment section and I'll reply to each of you. Okay. So make sure you buy the templates and keep in touch. Bye.